Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer a website from Squarespace to Shopify. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Squarespace website and then log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is on the top right corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that and then you'll be seeing an option that says domain. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, there you'll be shown all the domains that you are currently having. Now all you gotta do is simply select the domain that you want to transfer. Once you are inside your domain dashboard, here you'll find an option that says edit DNS. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll be sent to this page. Now what you need to do is open up your Shopify page. Now once you're done with that, simply log into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, on the bottom left corner of the screen you'll be seeing your settings option. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here what you need to do is you can either search on the search bar by simply typing domain, and then you'll find an option that says verify connection, or if you don't find the option, here on the left hand side of the screen you'll be seeing an option that says domain. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll find an option that says connect existing domain. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here what you need to do is enter in your Squarespace domain name and then click on next. And once you do that, here what you need to do is just simply click on verify connection. Now before that, follow settings instruction as well, and once you do that, here you'll be provided with a record and a CNAME. Now all you gotta do is just simply copy this to the Squarespace and then add it to the DNS settings. And once you're done with that, all you gotta do is just simply save it, and these are the crucial things that you need to verify before transferring website from Squarespace to Shopify and to operate it properly. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.